Side.
Okay.
Wednesday.
I'm replaying this for Danny.
He is the night.
Danny, this is for you, dude.
It's a day OIF not being
honestly,
I'ma
just unload this shit for Danny. I'm unloading it. Something's definitely about to break right here, dude.
Can you replay something for me?
Yes.
Unload for less than E, goddamn it. IJM leaving.
Wait, where are the rest of these balls at? Hold on, I'm just gonna fucking
catch it your mouth.
Okay, this shit's about to hit 80 miles an hour. But I'm gonna put all the balls in there.
Him trying to see ATVH all your balls in there. Camel, did you sweep all of your ping pong balls under the dishwasher?
Did you sweep all your under the dishwasher?
Pancake.
What do you mean under the dishwasher, dude? No, they just pull under there and under the, like back here, under the fridge. Oh shit. You almost knocked the food over. Okay, this is for Danny.
Your balls are everywhere, man.
And everybody else, Danny and Cake, and
Damn it.
Everybody who got scammed today.
Suck it.
This is for all of you.
No. I am not sharing my SCMAMED balls.
I'm unloading this shit right now. Hey, where's the button at? Here we go. I think there's like 10 balls in there. Oh my god, dude. This is... Whoa, this shit... Oh, fuck, dude. Oh my god. Yo, dude, this shit is sus, dude. This shit is sus. Okay, dude. Okay, I'm not unloading this anymore.
This LMAO.
I'm not.
Run for it, not. The climax. The ping pongers.
Okay, dude. This shit is sus, dude. This shit is sus.
That ceiling fan looks fast as hell.
Yeah, good.
HES gonna get ponged so hard.
Oh my god, dude. Okay.
Making that nosy.
Yeah, that's the
Andy
cannon.
looks concerned.
That's the cannon, dude. That was the cannon making a
Why
noise.
is she concerned? Video, audio not synced, is that normal?
Yeah, that's normal. There's a bit of delay on the GoPro for the audio.
For the people statue.
Dude, that shit is... A ball... Yo, it knocked over my soldier lean, dude. I think a ball flew in here. Fuck it, dude. Honestly, fuck it, dude. Alright, back to business.
You said you clean.
Thank you again, Genesis. I did
clean,
but
clean.
No, you underestimate how much of a mess that I make in one meal, I think. Cake. Guns wants to change his voice. Wait, does Big Old? I still feel like this blue is not color matched, but fuck it.
Just have happy accidents. No, I just thought too highly of you, HMPH. Wait, voices can be changed. I thought we were born with them.
I mean, you are born with it, but like, I think you can get surgery for it.
Also, Camel, you could have
You know what I mean?
painted the canvas blue first.
Yes, thank you, Tom. Dude, I'm not sure this is
No,
working.
really okay to make things harder.
I'm a
here.